more than yours. Because he has like a finger.
It's dog hunt.
Ooh, yes, dog hunt!
Can you want any more ginger ale?
I will drink some more.
I'm touching your
Let
tail.
me look at this ginger ale.
I'm touching your tail.
Take it out.
Oh, God.
What?
Oh, God.
Let's look at this dog. We're hunting him down. Whoa, he's going behind this house.
There's gonna be some weird stuff going on, dog.
Oh, weird stuff.
Whoa.
Like
This
the door-
dog is following me.
Yeah.
Hmm.
To really follow you, we need more puppetries.
I think you're out of puppetry.
Yeah.
We are.
Feeding them all in the last few days, just to get them to move. Right? You're full now. Puppetries are not going to work. It's cool.
Let's look at this battle. Let's look. Where is this dog? Oh my! This is the deadliest battle we have ever seen.
You do know is if he rips the tail off, I'm gonna be holding a tail.
This battle is deadly.
Oh, I think he almost pulled the tail off.
Why am I looking? Oh my god, it's weird. Let's look at this now. Let's look.
Oh God. Do you
Whoa.
think we should start uploading soon after this video?
Look.
Let's start uploading after this video.
Okay. But can we show my dad the videos?
Yeah, we'll just upload.
Let's show her. Oh.
Hey.
Come on, let's move.
Oh no!
We need some more action than just being. Dude, let's go into the living room. Let's go into the living room.
How are we gonna get him to go in there? I have to be doing this for absolutely ages. You're under
Whoa.
attack from your worst enemy.
Whoa.
Tigerzilla. You're under attack by your worst enemy, Tigerzilla.
This dog, oh my, he's coming for me. What?
I'm trying to see your face until you start biting it.
Oh my.
Don't hide anything.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think we should do now with this party?
Should we make a video of you now? Add it into it? Oh my, look at this thing.
Why don't we just start uploading now?
Wait, I'm going to put a video
Oh, God.
on the TV.
Hello, everybody.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up?
Probably edited out in 2017.
What's up? What's up? Oh, what's up?
Hold on.
Look at this.
Hold on.
What's up?
Hold on. He's doing it on everything.
What's up? Oh my god, that's creepy.
He's doing it on the mask, didn't you? Hello.
Oh my. What is wrong with this dude? Look at the dog. He's just staring at me for no reason. Goodbye. Besides, I'm a villager. What?
That came out so weird.
Let's look around this house. Oh, wait. Let's look at these scratch marks. These scratch marks.
Don't do it. We're trying to sell a house here. Come on, don't do that. We're trying to sell a house.
I won't show.
I'm uploading this video in 2017 when we don't even have this house now.
Whoa, this is scary. Okay, let's look away.
Shut up.
Hello. I'm going to look at this penguin. Oh my god.
I'll bring the penguin down.
Oh my.
I'll bring the penguin down so you can see, so you can get a better look.
He's going to get the.
Sweetie, be careful with the penguin, okay?
Liam,
Remember, turn to the stairs.
Liam, be careful. Calm down. This thing is so big. It almost tripped me.
The penguin's alive. It's alive. Whoa. This penguin's alive. Oh. Should I punch this thing?
No, don't punch it. It's already in there.
Whoa. This is deadly. Ah, it's ginormous. It's coming toward me. What is this thing doing? I'm looking at ya.
This is hard to do that voice.
Oh my!
No hitting.
You feel like you tapping the whole thing came down.
That thing is just.
Scratch my nose.
Fight the penguin! Fight it!
Be careful with the little penguin, okay?
Why are you looking at me, penguin? Oh my god! Stop waving. That man was bleeding. Gee. Oh. Is this penguin hunting? Why is he right there? This is creepy. What is he doing?
This is seriously really hard to do his voice.
What's that? Come on to crack up. Should I do his voice?
Okay. I'll
Well,
just
make
do
sure
this.
keep it steady.
Okay. No.
Oh,
It's not.
there's
You know,
an
you're
earthquake.
recording the case, you know.
Wait, what?
Oh. Camera's on this side.